been in the branch and everything seemed great. The employees are great, so it's kind of shocking.
Navy Federal customers arriving Tuesday afternoon had no idea what happened here this morning. Around 8 o'clock, the Anne Arundel Fire Department got a call from 12 construction workers working inside the bank on renovations before it opened for the morning.
During this process, they were using a propane-powered walk-behind concrete saw. After about 2 to 3 hours of using this inside the bank, several employees or the construction workers started complaining of symptoms of dizziness, headache, nausea, and contacted 911.
All 12 were taken to the hospital, 3 with the most serious injuries to shock trauma in case they needed the hyperbaric chamber, but all are expected to survive. Firefighters took carbon monoxide readings inside the building that reached over 800 parts per million.
That's a high level. You would expect after 30 or 45 minutes you might have a headache or some dizziness. It would be possible that it could render you unconscious after an hour, and in 2 to 3 hours it could be lethal.
Navy Federal sent us a statement acknowledging the incident and saying that none of their workers were involved. The victims were from an undisclosed construction company. It took the fire department nearly 2 hours to get all of the carbon monoxide out of the building to make it safe again.
We've got the ventilation fans, the same type of fans that we use when there's a fire or any other kind of situation where we need to move air. It just took a longer process because this building, with it being a bank-type building.
I just feel bad for the workers, You want to go to work and feel that hey, you're doing your job. So hopefully you're not putting your life at danger, not knowing anything about it. So it's a really sad situation.
The Anne Arundel County Fire Department is warning folks to never use any gas-powered equipment like a generator inside a building. In Odenton, Kim Dacey, WBAL TV 11 News.